Hello, and I always solve Leetcode number 19. Remove endnode from end of list. Right? Into basically on my end, a linked list. And I'm say remove the example and say remove the second node. Use second node from the back of the list. Into second node from a tree, right? Okay, if you a 1, 2, you no free honor. Now for the return a list and say yet and I say example where mama list 0, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? Now we normally say you way film right from the back. But we are linked listing so there I just you're gonna say to me jump on and all of a sudden. But if your question where is I say remove second from the back now, it also can be repeated a bit more representing it the same way as way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? I'm seeing second from the back. It a bit more representing it the same way as 5 minus second from the back, right? A 2 plus 1. When you say and we equal to 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4, right? 84. Into kind of animal 1, if you know 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the fourth one na you right? In link list no. You perceive ya you bit to my right? You bit to my start here free has a near kind. You bit my set you bit me use okay, you bit me use 2-pointer approach. Right? Into 2-pointer no pointer back be the kind na back on where the tree. Right? In 2-pointer you bit mama back on start it. Akwanim n plus 1, right? Into any way to mark and start here free 1, 2, 3. No, I will see I see, right? Into any way see any as start back on so free h3 I see, right? Into we call any back one now we saw calling back we can at some point in the way ever be see now. You say end of leg list na now. By the time we see now for the way na jump it. Right, in the end, be I am say yes, be a dummy no, into way be a dummy node, right? It's back on. And if I could see eba, and over 2 plus 1 3 into 1. If we dummy node, Nina best at if we dummy node into 1, 2, 3. Into another region, I see, right? Now, second one also start to see. And so you could see into we call any back one. Now we saw calling back, right? We should be calling back home. Now we are some copy, right? We cycle back one. We qua we be some copy, right? We be some copy. We be some copy, but about could see now. In this way, you could see now. Instead, say we be call back on. We be call back on way. Or be jump here free has say. Aqua pussy has say. Right now, am I you way frame? Right, it's a draw now for the you way frame now. You can pussy right? And you know, sa na be first name so because you be feature the length of list no, right? It even representing us that way. In this year this the same gap way. Eto first and second in tema. Say last one in ya could drew the friend saying nala you bet me skip baby way na draw, right? Okay, so the first thing we need to do is one, you set it your dummy head, and a 2 your first pointer, and nobody can akwakushi your friend saying n plus 1, which in this case na 2. Into n 2 from the back into 2 plus 1, right? First pointer moves 2 plus 1, and then second pointer no, I started from dummy head. And also we say we notice I think we use dummy head, be a dummy head near returning. Or share results no, you think we are return the dummy dot next, which means you started printed linked list na dummy no, dummy value ankasa and count yes dummy dot next never start here free the head of list na the my ankasa, right? But yeah, but first ne say what the interval n plus 1 ever to first and the last one in term. Now if they was starting move, so first one no, first point and enya kusi nala baby second point and drew be a jump 2, right? They be jump 1 2. Now if they was skip node way, right? In the end konyan ko shade way too much no in code. So first you set up your dummy head, and dummy head no bet me to be ashim, right? With my 1, with my 0. See dummy dot next equal to head into first and only equal to first only equal to dummy, right? First needs to be equal to dummy, and a second needs to be equal to dummy, right? When you're in front of dummy head now, and yet more clear with naming conventions. So dummy head dot next and a dummy head. Now is there both of them need now best start here free dummy. Need now start your free dummy head from the beginning, right? Until both first and the second need now at some point no more best start your hasi. Need now start your dummy head. But you be move first no kwa akwenim first, right? Into the answer the way be move first na akwenim first. Into for dash in range n plus 1 first is equal to first dot next. Into by writing our code way no, you move first no about BC n plus 1. In this case na 2 plus 1, which is we'll move via 1 no about 1 no about 2 no about 3, right? Because any 2 into n plus 1 by 3 into move via 1 2 3 no original has it, right? The next step now say you be able to move at a go into no while first, so long as our first ever value no, right? You be move it into first ever call first dot next. Now second is so I call second dot next, right? Into so long as our first ever value first we'll move up and name data until so long as our value be no code in red no red spot no, right? When you kushi by the time first back kushi now no now while loop way I end it until you do sana second no dot next no be equal to second dot next right. If you are near returning dummy head dot next right. Indeed, say any other solve it difference moving a node, maybe the end node from the back, right? Indeed. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.